Picture this, you're 70, full of energy, climbing stairs without a second thought, and, get this, your grandkids can't keep up with you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, hold on to your grocery list because there's a humble vegetable protein hiding in plain sight that can spark muscle growth, boost strength, and even sharpen your memory. And no, it's not some pricey supplement or a trendy superfood flown in from who knows where. It's sitting quietly on your plate, ready to change the game. Want to know the one food that could outshine eggs for muscle health? Stick around. You'll kick yourself if you miss this. Hey there, welcome back to our health channel, where we're all about helping you thrive after 60. Today we're diving into a secret weapon for staying strong, mobile, and sharp as you age, vegetable proteins. These aren't just any foods, they're packed with compounds that help your body rebuild muscle, fight fatigue, and keep you independent. I'm excited to share this because it's simple, affordable, and oh so powerful. If you're enjoying these tips, please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to our little community. Let's jump in. Here's the thing. After 60, your body doesn't use protein as efficiently, which can lead to weaker muscles and less energy. But certain vegetables can flip that script. Let's start with a surprising one. Okra. Yep, that slimy green pod your grandma probably stewed with tomatoes. A cup of cooked okra gives you about 2 grams of protein. Not huge, but its magic is in its soluble fiber and mucilage. These coat your gut, helping you absorb nutrients better. A 2019 study from the Mayo Clinic found that better nutrient absorption boosts muscle repair in older adults. Okra's antioxidants, like flavonoids, also fight inflammation, which silently chips away at your strength. Toss it in soups or roast it crispy. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next up, green peas. Don't sleep on these little guys. A cup of cooked peas packs nearly 8 grams of protein and a key amino acid called leucine, which sparks muscle growth. A 2021 Harvard study showed that leucine-rich plant foods help older adults preserve muscle mass without extra calories. Plus, peas are gentle on digestion and loaded with fiber, keeping your gut happy so your body uses protein better. Stir them into rice or mash with olive oil for a quick side. Now, the star of the show. Moringa leaves. If you've never heard of moringa, you're in for a treat. Used for centuries in Asia and Africa, this leafy green delivers 9 grams of protein per 100 grams, more than most vegetables, and all 9 essential amino acids. That's right, it's a complete protein, rivaling eggs. A 2023 WHO report highlighted moringa's role in fighting inflammation and boosting energy in older adults. Its iron and calcium keep your bones strong and your energy steady. Sauté the leaves with garlic or blend them into a smoothie. It's like a multivitamin you can eat. My uncle at 68 started adding moringa to his soups after feeling sluggish. 6 months later, he's out walking his dog and swearing he feels 50 again. It's not a miracle, it's just food doing its job. These veggies, okra, peas, moringa, aren't just side dishes, they're your allies for staying strong and vibrant. Pair them with beans, fish, or nuts for a plate that's a powerhouse. Which one will you try this week? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. Keep moving, keep eating smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.